Yo YouTube, welcome back to another video here on the BitFunYoungs channel. My name is Zay. We talk about crypto analysis on this channel. We look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, other altcoins. Today is Friday, March 28th, 2025. It is currently 5:35 a.m. Bitcoin is sitting nice at $87,000. It looks as though it is breaking somewhat of structure, or at least coming back down to the support area here at 84K, which is going to be our mid-range area. Our mid-range is the range in between our key support and key resistance areas. In this case, the key resistance is going to be what? 91K. And the support area is going to be what? 70K. In the middle is going to be what? What is it going to be? 84K. Thank you. So it's not always going to be directly in the middle. That doesn't necessarily mean that's the mid-range. It just means the increased volatility, the most action, where the most action is located at in the where the action is located at the most in between the range, and that would be right here. We saw a lot of choppy sideways action before we saw a breakout, right? So now we are coming back to test this 84,000K area is what it looks like right here on the daily. We are getting some downwards action so far. It's early, at least on the East Coast time, which is 5:35. Normally, we might still get some type of volatility at the open, at the S&P 500 open, but right now we are coming back down to this area of support. Will we hold this area? That is the question. We are going into the weekend, so we might have retail buyers buying in and push us up to this area, or it might be a dump, or it might just be continued sideways action. That's just currently where we're at this point in time in the market. It's not really a lot that's going on. As I continue to mention in my previous videos, we got up as high as 16% in a total of 17 days. That's not what you want to see, right? It's not just the greatest bullish sign, because in this instance right here, we were able to get up 21% in a total of 2 days. So this area right here is more bullish than this area right here, right? So that's ultimately not what you want to see. And of course, if you just even compare it to this, even just to this support area, we were able to get up to 50% in 19 days, right? That's way more than this area right here. That's 50% in comparison to what I say, 17, like 17, 16%. That's a big difference, right? This is indicating high bullish momentum, high volatility, high just price action. Right here is just slow and choppy, slow and choppy, which most likely results into price coming back down to touch a area, right? Or to touch the area. So that's what I see right now currently on Bitcoin. If I scroll over to Ethereum, Ethereum's coming back down to its support level, and I told y'all that I got out of my trade just because I saw this coming down, and I could have improved on my trade by just simply waiting. That's A, or B, if I really wanted to get in this trade, to enter once I saw this wick here on the 4 hour, because I know it created one if we have a daily like that, right? So somewhere right here, boom, I could have entered, had my stop loss here, and I could have just rolled it out, and I could have came all the way up here, and I'll still currently be in profit, or at least break even, right? So that's just a note for next time. I need to write that down. But boom, bada bang, bada boom, bada bop. If we scroll over to Solana, came back down to that support range. Now, the same is for Doge. It looks like it's reversing now. But if Bitcoin comes down here, alts will break out of that support range currently. If that happens, I'm looking for wicks at that point, because Bitcoin would be approaching its key support area, in my opinion, right? So I would just wait for wicks, and then I would be excited to enter in long positions there, because I know that's life-changing money. But if I get this 70K area, this 71K area, I'm all in. That's gonna be probably one of the greatest trades of my life. That's just me personally. I look forward to it. I'm excited for it. I know my time's coming. I know I just gotta stay patient, stay down, because once it comes, bless y'all heart. I'm gonna make sure my family's straight. I'm gonna make sure that my brother's straight. I'm gonna make sure the kids that I mentor is straight. I'm just look out for people that have looked out for me, and then just look forward to meeting new people and changing or building relationships. But that's neither here nor there. I can talk about that shit all day. That's really all I got for today. I'm so glad y'all tuned in to another video. I'm staying consistent with it. I'm catching a little bit of momentum. I wish to continue. I'm going to continue, right? And y'all have a blessed day. I'm going to catch y'all on the flip side. I'm gone.